How to create position path animation in After Effects. It's animate along a custom path. Make a new file of jet aircraft in Adobe Illustrator. You can set its width is 1080 by 1080 with 300 dpi, and color mode will be RGB. Set it illustration according to canvas. You can make large and small according to your requirements. Save this file in AI format. Open the Adobe After Effects and make a new project and make a new composition in this. We set preset as HTDV and the video size can be 1920 by 1080 and duration will be 15 seconds, sufficient. Make a new project in After Effects. Now we will import the JetCraft AI file in this project. You can import footage or composite. What should be setting of new project? And what is difference between footage and composite? We have discussed in Lesson 1. Anyhow, drag and drop your AI file into Timeline. You will see Timeline has been activated. Open its Transform panel in left bottom side tray. Reduce the scale approximately 50% and now we'll rotate this towards right side and make its angle on 90 degree. If we set its position on left side of screen and scrub the cursor towards right side and make a keyframe on 10 second, then make a change its position. You will see jet aircraft is moving left to right in simple animation. It is so simple moving effect which can be create with the help of keyframes. Now we will learn about moving on. Moving path and moving path can be drawn in any shape. I draw a zigzag line in Adobe Illustrator. Now we will copy-paste this line as a path. See this segment carefully. It's amazing our jet aircraft is moving on zigzag line, which we drew in Illustrator. We will make ring shape in Illustrator and our jet aircraft will move on this ring. On same way, we can draw different shapes and can make unique path animation with them. We hope this lesson will be helpful for you. Keep in touch with us. Thank you for watching.